Hello, I'm Jenny Walker and I'm a soprano, which is the highest type of female operatic voice, and I work for Welsh National Opera as a vocal animateur, which is somebody who helps and encourages other people to sing. I would like to play a little breathing game with you, and for that you will need an invisible can of air, so I hope you've all got one. Now, breathing is really important because as singers, that's how we make our instrument work. So it's really important that we have good breathing habits and we understand how to make our bodies work to help us. So my can of air looks like this. I hope you've all got one too. What I would like you to do is to make the same sound as me at exactly the same time that I'm doing it. When I twist the lid of my can of air, it makes this sound. Shh. Let's have a go together. Shh. If I twist the lid a bit further round, the sound is even stronger, like this. Shh. Let's have a go at that one. Ready? Shh. Fantastic. See if you can follow me when I change the sound. Here we go. We're going to give it another go, and this time I'd like you to really think about which part of your body has to work hard, not just be involved, but really try to keep that sound going. Here we go. Well done. Now I hope that you could feel that lots of the work is taking place down here in your belly. And what's happening is that the muscles down here are helping to keep that air moving, and we'll need that when we're singing as well. So we're going to try it one more time, and I'd like you to really think about using these big muscles in your belly to keep that air moving. Here we go. Fantastic. Thank you for joining in, and if you've enjoyed this video, why not have a look at some of our other exercises?